Hi guys, welcome to Social Studies Agenda for Monday, September 30th. I'm going to walk you guys through what you're doing today, and then you guys are going to work through your agenda on your own. Hopefully you guys are sitting in the same seats that you are from Thursday and Friday from your test. Mrs. Allen is here with us today, and go ahead and get the half-sheet agenda from her if you haven't got it already, and we're just going to go through it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is hopefully you're watching this video. All right, it's the very first thing on your agenda. Second item on your agenda is CNN 10. Just go to CNN 10, watch the about 10-11 minute long presentation, and then fill out your analysis document and submit it into Schoology. After that, then you guys are going to go to Schoology and you are going to go to your new unit, okay? So in Schoology, you have a new unit, Unit 2, okay? I'll go back out here just for a second. Here is where it's at. It's right underneath Unit 1. You are going to click on Unit 2. And the first thing that you guys are going to do is you're going to just spend a few minutes and you're just going to read through the unit information of your essential skills and your learning objectives. Okay. After that, you guys are going to move on to your vocabulary terms. You're going to click on this link here. It's going to make you make a copy, and then you're going to put that copy into the Social Studies folder that says Unit 2 in Google Drive. Okay. This is what that document should look like when you open it up. Make sure that you guys change the copy of to your name, and then remember you can hit this little file right here to move it to the correct folder. Okay. The learning goals are again in here. Remember, you're not answering the learning goals, you are just finding definitions for the terms here. So for instance, the first one's environment. So right here in this definition box, you're going to type in the definition for environment. You may look them up if you need to, okay? But remember, don't copy and paste. Put things in your own words, simplify, all right? We will go over them again when we come back, or when I come back, excuse me. All right. Here we go. So that is CNN 10. Then your intro to your unit, then your unit vocabulary terms. When you're done with those, you are not submitting them to Schoology, you are keeping them in your Google Drive. After you do that, then you guys are coming back to Schoology and you are going to the Crash Course Lotus assignment. This is an assignment that is due before the next class period, okay? So make sure that you guys get this done and get it submitted. The document should look like this. Again, take copy of out, put your name here, move it over here into Unit 2, okay, in your Schoology, or excuse me, in your Google Drive. Please make sure you read all directions carefully, especially the part that says there are no one-word answers, all right? Please explain each service and or impact. You guys are going to click this video link here and watch the crash course video. You may pause it as you watch it, or you may watch it all the way through, fill out as much as you can, and then go back and rewatch it. That's totally fine with me. There are two Lotus diagrams. Lotus diagrams will have a central theme in the middle, and on the outside you're going to put the pertinent information. The white boxes are where you guys are going to type that information, so don't write anything in these black boxes, just these white ones, okay? So you have 4 on this first Lotus diagram and 5 here on the second Lotus diagram, okay? When you finish that, you are going to come back to Schoology and you are going to submit it, okay, because it is an assignment, all right? Agenda is pretty straightforward, okay? I know I put on here 15-ish minutes for this video. It is not nearly that long, guys. So just go ahead when you're done with this video and start CNN 10. That's totally fine. I've again put times here for you to just help you keep track of where you should be. For instance, like this intro to Unit 2 should not take you any more than 2 to 5 minutes to read through that information and move on, okay? Remember, vocabulary does have to be done first, okay? Even though you're not submitting it, this does need to be done first, and you need to make sure that you put this into your Unit 2 in Google Drive, okay? Then the rest of the time can be spent on that Crash Course Lotus diagram assignment. If you get done with all of that and you've submitted things or put them where they need to go, then you guys may work on other schoolwork. Please make sure that you are actually working on other schoolwork. The end of the quarter is nearing. Conference signups will be going out very shortly, all right? And we want to make sure that all that missing work is turned in. Again, I will address Unit 1 reworks for that test and any missing assignments whenever I come back on Tuesday, okay? All right, guys, please just be kind to Ms. Allen, be kind to each other, follow all rules and expectations, and I will see you guys when I get back.